Hi, you guys. It's your girl, Lady T, back with another one for you. You know, guys, I don't even know why I post, but they say just keep posting and somebody will watch. But yeah, I'm making a strawberry lemonade cake. Yes, you heard that right. And you guys, I put my dye in the microwave for like 10 seconds just to make the color a little bit deeper. And before I put in my buttercream, and this was lemon buttercream that I dyed different colors, but the flavor is lemon. These are my cakes, you guys. I have a strawberry cake right here, and I have a lemon cake right there, and strawberry lemonade. You guys get it. One of Lady T's little recipes. I have my buttercreams, colors mixed up, and today we are doing a Paw Patrol cake. I ran out of a 10-inch board, so I cut one. I had 12-inch left. But yeah, Paw Patrol cake for my grandbaby, Baby Cash, is turning 3. And his theme is Paw Patrol. Now, I was going to make a 3 cake, but I did not make a 12-inch. I made 10, like I said. Oopsie. And not big enough to do a 3. Plus, I don't want to waste cake no more. I've got enough cakes I have to make the cake pops for Mother's Day. So, we are going with the 10-inch round, classic, clean, cute, no worries cake. So let's get started, you guys. Okay, let's start with leveling these cakes. So I'm gonna start off with this lemon cake, and today we are not putting any sugar solution in because these cakes are super fresh. I made them a couple of days ago and they are super moist already. um they will be eating tomorrow by the time you see this. Um hope I'm posting this today, which is Friday. It is April 25th. So hopefully we'll get it out today. If not, it'll be out on the 26th, the day of the baby's party. But let's go ahead and level these two cakes off, you guys. These cakes are frozen, so they will thaw out and spring back, but yeah, they are not dry, you guys. Don't even try it with me. But yeah. So let's go ahead and assemble this cake, you guys. So I always put some buttercream on my board so this cake don't slip off anywhere. It's just good to do. It's a glue, y'all. Go ahead and put that down. And let's start with this first layer. We are doing the lemon layer at the bottom because it is a little bit more thicker and a little bit more firmer than the strawberry. And I'm going to put buttercream in the middle because I don't want this lemon filling and strawberries to get to sliding. So let's go and layer this up. I'm gonna come on in with a border in this same blue of the buttercream so our filling does not bulge out. And I like to do a double border, so you'll see me go around once and then come on up the top of it and make like a taller border, if you will. There we go. And then I will get to filling this cake on up. So like I said, you guys, we have a lemon filling that I will be putting in it. Lemon custard, you guys, is going in the middle of this cake. And we're going to go ahead and spread a thin layer of that because like I said, I don't want this cake to bulge. I don't want it to fall. It has a long destination it needs to make it to, babe. So yeah, we not having no accidents after all this work. And so I'm gonna spread my lemon curd in there evenly, and I will add some strawberries in there also, so you guys will see that. And like I said, we not going heavy with this because the more filling you put in these cakes, they will tend to slide. They will buckle. Yeah, it will make you cry after all the cute little work you did, and the whole cake just turned to mush. So I put buttercream on top of that. I want to make sure this cake makes it here. Like I said, we got a 2-hour ride with this cake. So the second layer is the strawberry, and I put the bottom end up so we can have a smooth top. And we will start the crumb coating right now. A crumb coat is a thin layer of buttercream that you add on before frosting your cake to assure that you don't have cake crumbs in your very delicious buttercream, and it's just more appealing to the eye. So let's go. So after this thin layer of buttercream, I'm going to go ahead and set this in the fridge for 15 minutes and let it stiffen up some, and then we'll come on back and we'll do our buttercream topping. Okay, and we are back after 15 minutes in the fridge. It has stiffened up. There are no crumbs that is going to end up in your buttercream. And we're going to go ahead and start buttercreaming up this cake, y'all. So, yeah, I'm adding the buttercream on top first. Get a thick layer of it on there because you're going to scrape most of it off. A lot of people love my buttercream, so they don't mind it being thick. Let me tell you, I do a more of a whipped icing, so I don't like buttercream because it's super sweet. And one day I will share the recipe with you, but I don't use confectionate sugar or anything like that in my buttercream. And there's no dairy in my buttercream. So check that out, and I will share that recipe with you guys one day. But yeah, it is light and fluffy, just like a whipped cream. Everyone thinks it's whipped cream, but it's not. And I add my different flavors to it, whether it be just vanilla, chocolate, whatever it is. That's how I do mine. So we go with the smoothing out of this cake. And I'm going to place this after I get to smoothing it back in the fridge for a few more seconds before I start decorating it and throwing the border and stuff on. So, yeah, you guys, let's go. Okay, my cake has chilled, and it's time to go ahead and add this border on. And I'm doing just a simple red little border around the bottom of it. It's for a 3-year-old, and we don't need them sugared up like that. So yeah, we're going with the red. Like I said, it's Paw Patrol theme. So we're doing the blue, the red, the yellow, the green. Yes. So let's throw this border on and start decorating this cake, you guys. And by the way, I don't want to get off track, but I would appreciate if you guys would give your girl a thumbs up and recommend my videos to people, because I am not monetized on any of my platforms, and they have took all my watch time minutes and everything. So after almost 3 years on YouTube, I am starting fresh, and I actually have no minutes, no watch time minutes. I'm doing okay on TikTok, but I would appreciate it if everyone would share, like, and just show me some encouragement, because believe me, your girl is getting discouraged with it. But back to this cake. Yes, I decided that all the little, okay, so if you're looking at my little dollops on top, they are all different because they are 4 different piping tips, and that is the way I decided to do it. I did not want them all one piping tip. Thank you. That's your girl, Lady T's design on there. But here we go with some little sprinkles we're going to throw on there. And just got some little blue and gold mixture of some sprinkles, and we're going to add those onto the cake. And it is best to do this when the cake is still a little tacky, that way they'll stick. If you see, I'm throwing them on the side so they're sticking really good in there, because this cake is still soft, if you will. So yeah, I didn't want that blue one on there, so I went back and I took that off. And yeah, let's start adding the rest of these decorations for me grandbaby. And here it is, you guys. The cute little Paw Patrol. Simple, easy, quick. Enough cake to feed an army, you guys. And the little toppers that I always get, I will link down below, are from Amazon. I always go on there and shop and get a lot of materials like that, that I know when it comes to kids, they want to keep the toys that are on their cake. So I try to get things like that, figures that they can play with later also. Unless they specify something to be made with fondant or something like that. This is the way I go with the kids. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give your girl a thumbs up if you like the video. If you would kindly share the video, it would help me out so much through the algorithm. Like I said, I don't make anything off of this. I do this out of my spare time. And if you did not know, your girl has lupus. So I go through a lot. And one day maybe I'll do a story time about that. But thanks to all my friends on TikTok and YouTube, I am very grateful for the views that I do get and the people that do watch. So until we meet again next time, it's your girl, Lady T. And you know what? I call you back. All right, bye. Introduce them to that life. Get the freaky with the vibe. Hey, normal 7 days, drop it like it's hot. If this world was mine, I'd take it, change and make them multiply. If this world was mine, I'd take your enemies in front of God. Introduce them to that life. Get them strictly with the vibe. It's a vibe. They a dance, let them watch. She a fan, he a flop. They just wanna kumbaya. This world, is how we go. All day, she only know what she know. Weekends, get it poppin' on the low. Better days coming for sure. Just to get this started, I called you up, but you weren't there, and I was broken hearted. Maybe it was love, straight to close, and I'm with you, everything goes. Coming with it, on my flow, down, it's close, down, on the way home. This world, concrete, close up. All day, she only doing what she knows. Weekends, get it poppin' on the low. Better days coming for sure. If it was up to me, I wouldn't give it nobody no sympathy. I take away the pain, I give you everything. I just wanna see you win, wanna see you this. I trust you, I tell you, I won't waste your time, I turn it off just so I can turn you on. I'ma make you say it loud. I'm not even tripping, I won't stress you out. I might even settle down for you, I'ma show you I'm a pro. I'ma take my time and turn it off just so I can turn you on, baby. Weekends get poppin' on the low. Better days coming for sure.